ito yung basahan.
Marami po kami basahan. Pwede po kayong manghiram sa amin para punasan yung mga upuan. Mas nakakaiya po pag pinaalis pa po namin kayo. Trust and believe.
Ano? Nasabi na. Go, G! Automatic technical yun.
Match up. Once again, you have to acknowledge Consi Rico Agapito, Consi Edward Sabater. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sorry, okay na.
We're good na po. Wait na. Patawirin lang. Basket! We'll go back to team open run. Pass it to number 22, Sear. The team come back. Kenji capitalize this one. Pass it to number 8. Kenji make a point out of this one. Kalapan. Shot. To take the reverse point. Our initial score is number 2.
Pwesto nyo!
Wala nang tomorrow's zone tomorrow. Lahat ng mga winner takes all na po ito. Lahat ng skills, innate skills nyo, ibalik nyo na at ilabas nyo na dito. Shot easy 2 points! Where choose our official score?
Andi na po gani ha? Huli na 8 seconds! 8 seconds! NJ, huwag kang susundot, NJ!
15 seconds to shoot. The ball will go 8 minutes and 10 seconds.
Balik!
Ayan, so 3, bang, bang, into the roof. By 4, they're up by 1 point. 1 point advantage. Once again, yung may-ari daw po ng e-bike sa may tapat ng bene, be mindful naman po sa pagpapark. Marami po pong may sasakyan dito, not just you, but everyone else. 10 seconds to capitalize. Can they make a point out of this? Oh, miscommunication again. Great pass. To number 28, basket! 7-4 is our official score. Team comeback are up by 3 points. 15 seconds to shoot. Steal! Charlotte, Bendiacho, dribbling the ball, basket! 9-4 is our initial score. They're up by 5 points now. Remaining time is 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
Pagjabal.
10 seconds to capitalize. Steal! Tuloy-tuloy ang pagbulusok ng team. Come back, nice pass. Perimeter shot is good. Locked and loaded. 11-4. Abante na po. Sa 7 ang inahabol ng team. Open run.
Guys, takinan dyan. Kita ba pumasok?
15 seconds to capitalize. Mercado this time. Yes po, yung may-ari po ng e-bike sa harap ng Benedictine School of Cavite, please, pagalaw-galaw naman po, isa pa po ang ipapataw namin yan. Char. 10 seconds to capitalize for his lead of good. Number 10 on the second attempt, bago pa rin. Babalik the same ball pa rin tayo. Even I. Substitution. 8 seconds to capitalize, miscommunication occurred. Nice pass to 14, basket.
Pwesto nyo, dyan ka na namin!
Nag-gustahan kasi kayo kanina eh. 5 minutes and 38 seconds. sulat ng Bene, please pasuyo naman po. Parang doon ako mapapaos kesa dito sa laro. Dati kayong parot. Basket! "15 seconds to capitalize. Bumomba! Basket! Easy 2 points given to number 10. Abante, 13, laban sa G, San Diego. Triple attempt, basket. Palitan lang tayo ng puntos. The lead goes down to 1 point. 8 ang may tangan. Here comes number 10. Sige, magsintas ka lang dyan. Yarens. 10 seconds to capitalize. Passes to number 10. First foul. Number 9, substitution.
1-3-1.
Remaining time, 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Number 10, looking for his teammate. Trabiling violation. The ball will go back to team open run. Remaining time, 19 is our official score. Pamaran. Ang may tama. Dribbling the ball against two. Loses his balance. Loses the opportunity to take another ball. Castillo. Miscommunication. Ginagawa mo. Team open run. Hustle an opportunity. San Diego. Shot. No good. 15 seconds to capitalize. Loose ball. From down Nanto. Basket. Kanlapan ng may tangan. Setting their play. San Diego this side. Shot for 3. No good. Easy pick up by number 18. Basket. 17-12. They're up. Team comeback are up by 5 huge points. 3 minutes. We're under 3 minutes for this particular period. 15 seconds to capitalize. Pamaran, 10 seconds to capitalize. Can he take a point? No good. Rebound, offensive rebound by number 29. Not on my watch. Foul.
Manuel, gitna! Kayo. Teka, ano po? Uy, fencing!
Offensive foul awarded. What's the number of that kid? Number 29. I saw it come back.
Ay! Sa puti, sa blue ko. Ay, hindi. Kaya ko tayo sa blue. Dalawa, teka. Reset! Nanilita. Tayo ah. Down! Down, Manuel! Hindi, mate.
Shot for 3. No good. 10 seconds to capitalize. Perimeter shot is no good. Number 9 of the second attempt, and he will tally another point. Put him down to lead into 5. 14-19 is our official score. Shot, basket, this is 2 points. Given by number 28.
Kita, Manuel!
1 minute and 15 seconds.
Abi lubog!
8 ang may taman, sasalaksak Castillo, no good. A minute to finish our opening period. Number 9 shot for 3, no good. 15 seconds to capitalize. The ball will go back to team comeback. Uses the opportunity. 35 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot for 3. No good. 35 seconds. Lawrence. Nice pass to number 10. 26 rather. 20 seconds. Wala. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Wala. Basket! Time 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Sa mga kakarating lang po, this is our first championship matchup between Team Comeback versus Team Open Run. No good. Kanlapan on the offensive rebound and he will take the first point again. 18-27. Baba po sa 9 ang inahabol. 11. Bumaba. Too much power given by number 15. Mapapakamot ka na lang talaga sa ulo. 10 seconds to capitalize. Agalang Duco. Jump ball and same ball lang tayo. Same ball lang po.
Hoy, stepping!
5 seconds. Double three na lang tinawag. Substitution. Tayong bench. 15 seconds to capitalize for 300. Number 18, board number 6 Lloyd. Lock and loaded by Baby Go. Baka Baby Go yan. 7 minutes and 16 seconds. Baby Go, steal. Kanlapan this time. Paula na basket. What a move and what a finish. Kaya team come back. Remaining time with our official score of 22-27, 5-point question. Ang awarded to Kanlapan. Basket pa rin yan. Mahusay ito. Paris. Wala na basket pa naman eh. Ang tawag dito, I think I've seen this film before. But I don't know the ending. Kung sino man po may-ari ng e-bike na yun, please patanggal na. Pasuyo na po, calling the attention whoever is the owner of the e-bike po na nasa BSC. Pasuyo na muna po. Simon! Wala! Against the wall. Can you manage to squeeze it through? Yes! He did! Grabe! Nakita mo yung 1 second. Baba sa 3. Just a blink of an eye. Do not ever blink. Cantela.
Pwesto, tao nyo!
Cantela dribbling the ball para walang nangyari. Parang hindi niya pinalikan yung bola. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 14 to number 10. Perimeter shot. Wala. Balik ang bola sa Team Open Run. Can Team Open Run manage to take the lead? 18 seconds to capitalize. Can happen this side. Same ball friend. 13 seconds to shoot. Ito po natin yung empty spaces natin. Pamaran, wala. Balik ang bola sa Team Comeback. Nagmamadali. Garote, Inday Garote. Number 10, basket. Garote. To finish and wrap this baby up. Baby! Is her name. Basketball is the name of the game. They take over the lead 22-21. The answer from Team Comeback, no! Here comes Pamaran again. Batang gilas ako. Pamaran! Dahil, sino na nakit? Left sa dito. Sino yung rep? 28 is the liable person for that. Again, na mga babae po. Grabe. You are guys at heart. Grabe, mapapatayo ka na lang talaga. Tumayo na lahat ng pwedeng tumayo sa inyo. 33-31. Basket sa kawalan. Number 10. Villanueva, no good. Sa kanya pa rin, akin to! Grabe, parang inaagawan ng pagkain foul. Open run. Wala. 33-31. Pantela.
MJ, sa'yo na yan, sa'yo yan, Ani.
8 seconds to capitalize. Wala.
Wiper ka. Diyan.
2 seconds.
Wiper, mama. Gilid ka.
15 seconds.
MJ! Shoot! Wala na! Wala! Wala na! Lubog! Lubog! Diyan! Lubog diyan! Foul! Tawid!
Hello. Yan! I'm back. Mitches. Kamaran. 15 seconds to capitalize. Nice pass to Lapan. Basket! 35-31. Passing skills on point.
Lubog!
We're at 100. Garote. Nagmamadali. Inday Garote foul. It's in 5 seconds. Those are remaining time.
Basket time out. Mamaya. Sige, dami.
Tamaran on the offensive rebound.
Muna sila.
Shot for 3. Bang! Baka-batang gilas yan, diba? Sinasabi ko sa inyo. 38-32. 6-point advantage na po. Steal! Steal! Batang gilas yan sinasabi ko sa inyo, diba? Correct me if I'm wrong. Tamaran! Nice pass! Basket! 30-32. 8-point advantage. Foul. Foul number 5.
Ilan na yun? Ilan na siya?
Who's fouled up? Number 5.
Ilan na yun?
Seconds to capitalize. Canlapan. Foul.
Anthony Habinal, ayan, Chris Valera, Alan sa Putana Pinunod sa kami ng basketball.
Tao!
15 seconds to capitalize. Villanueva. Basket yan. Baba sa 6 ang hinahabol ng team. Come back. 1 minute and 26 seconds. 15 seconds to capitalize. Mercado. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot. Balik ko. Yun lang ba ang balik ko sa kanya? Let's watch this.
Hila! Huli!
Steal! Manuel! Here comes number 14. Come back and they take this opportunity. Basket ba yan? Wala. 50 seconds.
Tawid!
Mercado. 15 seconds to capitalize. Canlapan. Refusing to say no. Wala nga. Good ball tayo.
Walang sirkot!
15 seconds to capitalize. Nice pass. Basket. 36-40. Unti-unti na pong humahabol ang team comeback.
Wala!
15 seconds to capitalize. San Diego against you. Setting their play. Mercado this time. Canlapan on the attack. Blackbird 2. 5 seconds. Side step. No good. 5 seconds to finish and wrap this baby up. Basket side, Santiago this time. No good.
Pwesto! Diyan na Manuel, kita ka ni Manuel. Baba, 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 baba.
Foul. 0-1. Yes, loose ball. Substitute. 43-45. Pinasa sa kawalan. Still managed to take the ball against the wall. Can he manage to squeeze it through? Jump ball and same ball tayo. Ball out of bounds, so the ball will be awarded to Team Open 1. 6 minutes and 42 seconds.
Kami dalawa. Kami tayo.
Pamayan. Pass it to Santiago. 4-3. Wala. Looking for his teammate. Number Villanueva.
Tao, tao, tao.
Castillo. Villanueva again. Kakain. Busog na siguro siya. Santiago. Nice pass. Easy 2 points. And we are tied again at number 45. How close this game could go. Sa ilon, nakakanga pa. Basket yan. May kasama talagang gigil ang mga nguso. 5 minutes and 54 seconds.
Wala na, pag
Basket time out kami. Basket time out. Galing.
Wala. Ceremony, keep that in mind. Paalala lang po, after po ng match natin, magkakaroon tayo ng awarding ceremony. Kanina po, nahatulan na natin yung bronze medalist. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Villanueva loses his balance. Garrote, baliko. Wala. Second attempt, wala pa rin. Bad luck comes to 3. Steal by Garrote. Lumilipat talaga siya. Mag-ingat ka lang this time. "15 seconds to shoot, Santiago. Foul. Number 14.
okay, lamang ka tayo.
Pass break, pass break. Ali, kita Ali, kita Ali. Kita Ali.
Wala sa legal guard.
Easy 2 points. We are tied again at number 49. Palitan lang ng puntos. Again, how close this game could go. I don't know the answer. We better watch this game instead. 3 minutes and 55 seconds.
Shoot!
Here comes Garrote. Basket sa kawalan. May mga innate spring sila sa paa. Built-in spring. Nice pass to Pamaran. Loses the opportunity. Tied up number 49. Same ball. 8-49. May. Yung kumakain. Basket. Alis dyan. Wala. Offensive foul! Nagtawanan na lang silang dalawa. Hindi ko naman sinasadya, bro eh. Bro, sorry bro. Po kung abangan. Kung aabangan niyo po dito ako matutulog sa court. 10 minutes and 32 seconds. Third number secured. Napakahaba nun. With that height and might, she can easily do it all. Nice pass. Reverse no good. Foul. Oy! 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 Yan hindi pa naaalis dyan Yung pulang e-bike na yan Ipaparapol ko yan mamaya, lalagyan mo ng ano yan, tag price. Kanina pa, mas madami pa yung pagbanggit ko ng e-bike mo kaysa yung sa game. Kaya, basket. Nice pass, basket. Hello Kitty daw. 1 minute and 5 seconds. And we will see ourselves to our last and final period. Player out of bounds, babalik ang bola sa team comeback. 50 seconds. Foul basket! Saglit lang po. Lalapit po sila just to clarify things out. Foul in the basket. Foul number 9. Pushing foul. Second personal foul by number 9. Warning for penalty team. Team open run. Foul! Foul number 18. Huwag na kayo mag-explain. One paragraph yan, 5 sentences, 1,000 words. Do not ever attempt. Third team, come back. 35 seconds. 30 seconds basket. 25 seconds.
Kami po ay bising-bising sa panonood. Championship game ng mga girls.
15 seconds to shoot.
Napakatindi ng laban.
10 to capitalize. Pasmado ang daliri. 5 seconds to shoot. Wala. 5. End of our third period. We will now proceed in our last and deciding quarter. We'll see whoever get or bag our last and final period will take the W and will take the championship title for women's division. After this, may ba tayong last and final quarter, so better stay with us up until the very end. That will be Team DSC versus Team Yummers. If you think this is exciting, watch out for our last and final game. Wala! Di ka na to! Offensive foul! Tumama lang po sa ulo. Okay.
Salamat sa inyo. Panoorin niyo lang po. Hindi ko malaman kung ano gawin namin.
Shot! Wala! Foul! Who's foul rep? Magpakita ka. Number 9. 30 third personal foul by number 9. First team foul, third team. Open run. Five seconds to shoot. Good ball. Castillo, pass it to 14. Shot 14. Bang, bang. About a week ago. The lead goes down to 1 point. 1 point advantage. May pa-confetti ba tayo?
Ako, Campo.
8 seconds to shoot. Two first team Velvet team come back. 10 seconds to capitalize. Ano natin, lower box, meron ng mga nasa Chen at dun sa labas. Maraming salamat po. Puno na yung VIP, yung patron. Wala. Basket! Kamera ng may tanga, number 11. Foul. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Cancela. Basket! Up by 3 points. Basket by Drew! And we are tied at number 16.
Batay!
Grabe si Tamaran. Sumasabog na. Pumuputok. Basket! 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Basket! 64-60. Comeback ball. Santiago managed to take the ball. Perez, jumper, basket. 62-64. Baba sa dalawa. Ang inaabol ng team open run. Cancela. Here comes Villanueva. And add. Grabe. Ingat-ingat na po sa ahas. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Wala. Naglalakad siya sa luneta. Steal! Tamaran. Foul. Number 8. Perez. Foul again. 28 naman, warning for penalty na kayo. Kung mainit kayo, wag nyo nang sabayan yung panahon.
Yung next ball, susunod.
Yes.
Hoy, tao nyo ha!
Wala. Basket! We are tied again at number 64. Second deadlock for this particular period. 5 minutes. 5 minuto na lang po. Villanueva. Basket! Bravo! Sino ang mag-a-attempt? Sigo na palang diretso ER ka na. Santiago ang may tangan. Pass it to Tamaran. 15 seconds to mount the point. Uses the opportunity. Here comes Cantela. Bumawi ka. Munti ka na lumuhod sa halikan sa bola. Foul. Foul number 29. Penalty na po. Save foul by number 29. Basket. Basket. 66-68. Baba sa dalawa. Punong-puno po talaga tayo. Fifteen to shoot. Kenzie mounts a point out of this. 10 seconds to shoot. Kanino mo pinapasa? May nakikita ka bang hindi namin nakikita? Where is Casper? Wala. Basket! We are tied at number 68. Patibayan tayo ng dibdib. Villanueva. Foul. Period. First person foul. Second team foul for team open run. To shoot. Pamaran. Pamaran na may tangan. Wala. Rebound by Kanlapan. Looking for his teammate. Foul! Pero tinayan, who's foul rep? Sino siya? Ang galing mong gumiling. Number 14. Adrenaline po yan. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Shout. Ha! Parang iba yung amoy. Kaya basket pa din! Nakita niyo yun? Nahihirapan na siya lahat-lahat. She still managed to give her all. Kanlapan again. Wala. This is the championship that we deserve to watch and see. Wala. Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Time out yun?
70-69. Pamaran. Basket! Change paper. Change paper na po tayo. Lamang ang team open run. Tignan natin 15 seconds to mount a point. Foul. Foul. Number 5. Number 5, rep. Number 5. Ayan po, lahat po. Punong-puno na yung patron, VIP. Meron ng Gen Ad. Basket! Scalper. Pamaran. Basket! Again, Pamaran is the name. Basketball is the name of the game. Basket! Palitan lang tayo ng puntos. We are tied at number 73. Maybe! Traveling violation. Last minutes. Do not ever blink. San Diego. Shot for 3. Wala. official score, 76-75 in favor of Team Comeback. Team Open Run, wala na kayong timeout sa ating last and final period. Samantalang Team Comeback, you have 2 time-out upper grabs. Be accountable naman sa mga bata. Kayo pa pumapalakpak sa kanila pag babatukan ko kayo eh. 1 minute and 23 seconds. Perez, perimeter shot, wala.
Let's go.
15 seconds to shoot. Foul, number 5. Warning for aggravation, number 5. Third team foul for Team Open Run. Samantalang Team Comeback, you are in penalty. For Team Open Run, 2 timeouts for Team Comeback. Wala. Remaining time is 1 minute and 7 seconds. 76-75. 1 point advantage. Can he manage to take it? No! Next game, we have Team Yammers versus Team TSC. Last 1 minute. Lang po ang nag-iwalay between these 2 teams. Basket! 8 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. 4 seconds to capitalize. Good ball! Basket, basket, basket! Basket po, basket! 31 seconds. 31 seconds. 25 seconds. Basket! 20 seconds. Foul! Number, who's foul rep? Penalty na yan, penalty number 2. Penalty na po yan, penalty na. 77-80, 3-point advantage. Penalty na po yan. Second person foul by number 2. Remaining time is 17 seconds. 17 seconds. Basket! 2 puntos lang po. 2 puntos. I told you so. How close this game could go. Basket! 79-80. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9. Jump ball, same ball tayo. Team open 1 ball. Team Same ball lang tayo, same ball. Same ball tayo, same ball. Same ball pa tayo, same ball. Same ball po yan, same ball.
Kanila kanina. Helpball tayo. Bago magkaroon ng foul, may helpball muna tayo.
Apo.
Aro. Helpball.
Same ball po tayo, same ball.
Wala tayong magagawa. Ano yan?
Same ball po, same ball.
Hindi na namin hawak yan.
Same ball po tayo, same ball, same ball. Same ball po tayo.
Time out pa kami.
Wala na po, wala na po. Same ball po tayo. Very good. We're more than good. This is just an easy peasy for me. 7 seconds.
Iliblo kami. Tira, lamang kami isa.
Team Comeback. Remaining time 7 seconds. Official score 80-79 in favor of Team Comeback. Team Comeback, you have 1 timeout up for grab. Winner takes all. Tama ba? What's the rightful call? I'll wait for our referees.
Wait. Shot. Advantage po. Shot.
Tignan lang po natin. Let's wait for their final verdict.
Throw in yan. Throw in.
Rep, let's go here. What's our rightful call po?
Okay, throw-in foul tayo. Throw-in foul. You have one free throw and ball possession tayo. Yes.
The rightful call is throw-in foul. One shoot, ball possession is given to them.
Sinabihan ko naman na sila.
Thrown in is the rightful call. Basket! Ball possession pa rin. Same ball possession. 7 seconds. Hindi tayo gumalaw lahat. 7 seconds. Five seconds. 3. Grabe!
Thank you.